Welcome everyone. So today we will continue with the lesson quadratic equation of class 10th algebra, and this is in this lesson we shall solve practice set 2.5. All right, let's start. So before starting practice set 2.5, student, let's understand some terms. All right, so this is practice set 2.5, and before starting here, nature of roots are given. All right, so nature of roots are given. Okay, and to find out the roots of a quadratic equation, we have formula, that is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. All right, and here if b square minus 4ac, that means this value is equals to 0, then the roots of a quadratic equation are real and unequal. All right, so if this value is 0, then the roots will be real and unequal. And if roots of a quadratic, that is if the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, okay, so it is greater than 0, then the roots of a quadratic equation are real and unequal. So it will be real and unequal. Okay, and third condition, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the value, that means root of a quadratic equation, that is value of x, are not real. Therefore, the roots of quadratic equation are not real. That means it may be in negative terms, that is negative numbers. And student, here nature of roots of quadratic equation is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac. That means how the roots of quadratic equation are real, equal, or it is real and unequal, or it is not real. It is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac, and this value, that is b square minus 4ac, is called as a discriminant of quadratic equation. Okay, discriminant of a quadratic equation, that is this, and it is denoted by the Greek letter delta. All right, okay, now let's understand some more terms. Student, here on page number 46, it is given as the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. Now coefficient means value of alpha, beta, like this one. Okay, so student, if alpha plus beta, so in 2.5 we have to find out the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta means sum of roots. It is sum of root. It is alpha plus beta, and the value of sum of roots or alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. Now for suppose here in this equation, this value is b, this is a, and this is c. So value of sum of roots or alpha plus beta will be, it is minus b upon a. That means minus b value is minus 10 upon 10. That means sum of root will be equal to 1. Okay, and product of root, that is alpha multiplied by beta, and this value will be alpha into beta. Product of root is equals to c upon a. So in this equation, value of c is 1 and a value is 10. That means it is 1 upon 10. Okay, so this is a sum of root and this is product of root. So this is how we have to find out. Okay, and next it is to obtain. So in this practice set, we have to find out the quadratic equation also. That means the value of sum of roots and product of roots will be given to us, and we will find out or obtain the quadratic equation. All right, for a given roots. Now to obtain the quadratic equation for given root, now we know of alpha and beta, two roots are. So here the value of sum of roots and alpha or product of roots will be given, and we will find out the coefficient or quadratic equation from the given root, that is alpha plus beta and alpha multiplied by beta. Okay, so here it is given the general form to obtain the quadratic equation is given, that is x square minus addition of root. Now addition of root means alpha plus beta plus product of root, it means alpha into beta. So this is minus alpha plus beta and this is plus alpha into beta. All right, so now let's start practice set 2.5. Now here, here on page number 49, here one table is given to us. Let's remember. Okay, so let's see this. So first is, if alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, so the general form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then alpha is equals to minus b plus square root of b square minus minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta will be negative form of roots. Okay, and second it is given as the value of sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, is given as minus b upon a, and the product of root is it is given as, that is alpha multiplied by beta is equals to c upon a. All right, and second it is given the nature of a quadratic equation will depend on the value of b square minus 4ac, and it is called as a discriminant and denoted by the Greek letter delta. And if delta value, that is this value, is equals to 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. Sorry, real and equal. That means it will be positive, and in this case RHS is equals to LHS. And if delta is greater than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. Now unequal means RHS will not equal to LHS. And in third condition, if delta is less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are not real. That means this will be negative numbers. And fourth one, to obtain or to get the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus alpha and beta is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of root is equals to 0. Okay, now let's start practice at 2.5. So here first activity based question is given, that is fill in the gaps and complete the following activity. Okay, so first question is quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is given, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and here the value of discriminant is given, that is delta or b square minus 4ac is equals to 5, and in second condition b square or discriminant value b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 5. Now here we have seen if delta is greater than 0, okay, so it is 5, it is greater than 0, that means roots will be real and unequal. Okay, so it will be real and unequal. Nature of roots will be real and unequal in case of delta is greater than 0. And here delta is less than 0. Why? Because here b, so discriminant value is minus 5. So here delta is less than 0, then the root quadratic equation are not real. So here we will write not real. Why? Because delta is less than 0. Okay, now question number 2 here. 2 is given as second sum of roots. Sum of roots means alpha plus beta. Okay, so student, alpha plus beta is given to us. All right. Okay, so alpha plus beta, that means sum of root is equals to minus 7. That means alpha plus beta value is equals to minus 7. Okay, and quadratic equation we have to write. And second here this RHS, it is given as product of root. That means alpha into beta is equals to 5. And we have the formula, or the form to obtain a quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta in x. So I am solving here only. First we will write the general form, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Alright, so x square will be as it is minus, now here alpha plus beta is given as minus 7. So it is minus 7x plus alpha into beta is given as, or product is given as 5. That means the equation will be x square plus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. So here you will write as x square plus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. Alright. Okay, now next question number 3. If alpha and beta are roots of a quadratic equation. Alright. So here quadratic equation is given 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equals to 0. And alpha plus beta, that means product of root we have to find out. Sorry, not product, it is sum of root. So sum of root, we have alpha plus beta value, we will write first minus b upon a. Alright. So from this here minus b value is, b value is this minus is from the formula, and value of b is minus 4 upon a is 2. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, and minus minus becomes plus. So value sum of roots will be, that means alpha plus beta is equals to 2, and product of roots, that means alpha into beta, we have c upon a. Alright, so from this equation c value is minus 3 and value of a is 2. So this is minus 3 upon 2. Alright. Now let's solve question number 2. So student, in question number 2, we have to find out the value of discriminant. Okay. So here first, question number 2 first, equation is x square plus 7x minus 1 is equals to 0, and we have to find out value of discriminant. It means delta or b square minus 4ac value we have to find out. So first we will compare the given equation with the general form. So first I'm writing here, compare the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Alright. And first write the values, that is value of a is, from this equation value of a is 1, of b is equals to 7 and value of c is equals to -1. Now let's put in the formula, that is delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. So this is our formula for discriminant. So value of b square is 7 square minus 4, a is 1, b is -1. So 7 7 is a 7 square will be 49, minus minus become plus 4. Now 49 plus 4, so it will be 53. So value of delta or discriminant is equals to 53. Alright. Now let's solve question number 2 here. So question number 2 is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equals to 0. Alright. So first student, this is a method you have to follow, like in proper method, and here I am solving as it is. So here I am solving directly. So value of a is equals to 2, b is equals to -5, c is equals to 10. Let's write the formula first. Discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. Alright. So value of b is -5 whole square, minus 4 into a is 2 and value of c is 10. Now 5 square will be 25, minus 4 into 2 into 10. 4 to is 8, multiply by 10, it will be 80. Now here, 80 minus 25. Okay, so this will be 55 and minus 55. Alright, so delta value is minus 55. Now question number 3. Okay, now question number 3 is, first write the question. Okay, root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equals to 0. So here value of a is root 2, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to 2 root 2. Alright. And now let's write the discriminant. Discriminant or delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. So b value is 4 whole square minus 4. Value of a is root 2 and value of c is 2 root 2. Right. Now 4 square will be 16 minus, now here student 4 to the 8 and root 2 multiply by root 2. So root 2 multiply by root 2, it will be 2 only. So it will be 16 minus 8 to the 16. So here value, delta value is 0. Alright. Now let's solve question, next question, that is question number 3. Okay, question number 3 first. Now student, question number 3 first, our question is determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. Okay, now here we have to determine the nature of root. That means whether it is real and unequal, real and unequal, or it is not real. So for this we will find out the nature, we will find out the discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, so first write the equation, that is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. So first we will write in proper method, compare equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now here value of a is 1, value of b is equals to -4 and value of c is 4. So first find out the determinant, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, now b square value is -4 square minus 4a is 1 and c is 4. So here 16, 4 4 is 16 is equals to 0. Now student, if discriminant value is equal to 0, that means if delta is equals to 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. So here we will write in sentence that as delta is equals to 0, that is discriminant is equals to 0, the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Alright. Now let's solve question number 2. So question number 2 is 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, now here we will write the value of 2 a, that is 2, Value of b is equals to minus 7. Value of c is equals to 2. Alright, now let's find discriminant. It is delta is equals to b square minus 4. B square is minus 7 whole square minus, now 4, a value is 2 and c is also 2. 7 7 is 49 minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Alright, so 49 minus 16, 9 minus 6, 3, 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, so student, here delta is greater than 0. Okay, now if delta is greater than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Alright, so here you will write, since delta is greater than 0, so roots are, you will write in complete sentence that the roots of a quadratic equation are real and unequal. Alright, now let's solve question number 3 also. That is m square plus 2m plus 9 is equals to 0. So here we will write for a value of a 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 9. Alright, now let's find discriminant. It is b square minus 4ac. Alright, so value of b square minus 4ac, b square is 2 square minus 4a is 1 and c is 9. So here 2 square is 4 minus 9 4 is 36. Now 36 minus 4, it will be 32, minus 32. So student, here delta is less than 0. So if delta is less than 0, so the roots are not real because it is negative number. Alright, now here we have finished question number 3. Now start solving question number 4. Okay, so student, in question number 4, from the quadratic equation of form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. So here roots are given, that is alpha plus alpha and beta is given, and we have to find out the quadratic equation. Now to obtain the quadratic equation, we will use this formula. It is x square minus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Okay, so student, we have to obtain or form quadratic equation from the roots, given roots. So here alpha value is 0 and beta value is 4, and we will find out the formula equation. Sorry, so first is 0 and 4. Okay, so here we will write, let alpha is equals to 0 and beta is equals to 4, and then required quadratic equation, this is required quadratic equation. So it will be, we will write is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Okay, so x square will be as it is. Now here sign will be minus. Now alpha value is 0 plus beta is 4, x plus alpha into beta. It means 0 multiplied by 4 is equals to 0. So our equation will be x square minus 0 plus 4, it will be 4x and plus. Okay, so our equation will be x square minus 4x is equals to 0. Right, now let's solve question number 2. So question number 2 equation, roots are given, that is 3 and minus 10. So here we will write, let alpha is equals to 3 and beta is equals to minus 10. Then the required equation is equals to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. So x square minus alpha value is 3, beta is minus 10, x plus alpha into beta is equals to 3 into minus 10 is equals to 0. Now this will be x square minus 3 minus 10 will be minus 7x. Now this minus plus will becomes minus, 3 tens are 30 is equals to 0. So x square minus minus become plus 7x minus 30 is equals to 0. Now in question number 3, we have roots are half and minus half. Okay, so here alpha value is half and beta is equals to minus half. So let's write the required equation. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. So let's put up the values. Alpha is 1 upon 2 and beta is plus minus become minus x plus this will be is equals to 0. Okay, now this will be x square minus, now this plus half minus half, it will be cancelled. So it will be 0 x plus, now plus minus become minus, and it will be 2 to the 4 is equals to 0. Okay, so this term becomes 0. So our equation becomes x square minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0. Let's take LCM. That is 4x square minus 1 is equals to 0. This 4 will go here, multiply by 4, so it will be 0 only. Now question number 4. So here alpha value is 2 minus root 5. Alpha is equals to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equals to 2 plus root 5. Okay. So let's write the general form. That is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Let's put up the values. Alpha is 2 minus root 2 plus beta is 2 plus root 2 plus beta will be 2 minus root 2 into 2 plus root 2 is equals to 0. Okay. So this plus root 2 minus root 2 will becomes cancel. Minus 2 plus 2 will be 4 plus. Now here this is in the formula of a minus b, a plus b. Okay. So we will write here a square minus b square. So here I am writing formula, since a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Okay. So this will be a square means 2 square minus root 2 square will be, okay. Now this will be x square minus 4 plus 2 square will be 4, and this will be, here x will be there. Okay, 4x. Now here minus root 2 square will be 2. It is minus 2 is equals to 0. So x square minus 4x, 4 minus 2 will be plus 2 is equals to 0. Alright. Now question number next, that is question number 5, is sum of roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Okay, sum of root means alpha plus beta. And here first we will write the equation, that is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. Alright. Now here condition is given that sum of root. Sum of root means first we will write the given, that is sum of root, that is alpha plus beta. Okay, alpha plus beta is double their product. It means 2 alpha into beta. Alright. And find k is a question mark if equation is this one. Okay, so here condition is given to us, and here this is given na, that is alpha plus beta is equals to 2 twice of alpha into beta. So what is value of alpha plus beta? This is minus b upon a is equals to 2, and value of alpha into beta will be c upon a. So this is cancel, a cancel, and value of minus b is equals to 2c. Okay. So this is a required value. Now equation is given as x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. Now we will compare this equation. Okay, compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now here value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to minus 4k, this is the value of b, and value of c is equals to this, that is k plus 3. Alright. Now here we have this equation. Okay, so we will write here minus b is equals to 2c. So minus b value is minus 4, and this minus is equals to twice value of c is this one, that is k plus 3. Alright, so this minus 4 will becomes plus is equals to 2 k plus 3. Now 4 upon 2 is equals to k plus 3. It is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and k plus 3 is equals to 2, and k is equals to minus 3 plus 2, that is k is equals to, okay. So student, instead of doing this, we will just multiply this 2 with the bracket. So we will get as 4 is equals to 2k plus 2 3s are 6. Alright. Okay. Now here what we will do, this is 4k, b is equals to sorry, value of b is 4k. Okay, 4k is there. Alright, now here 4k minus 2k is equals to 6. Now 4k minus 2k will be 2k is equals to 6, and therefore value of k is 6 upon 2, that is 3. Therefore k is equals to 3. Next question, it is question number 6. Okay. Student, question number 6 says alpha and beta are given. Okay. Question number 6. Alpha beta roots of equation, that is y minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0, and we have to find out alpha square plus beta and alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, so how we will solve this? First we will compare the equation with, first I am solving step by step. Compare equation with is y square. This is in the form of y square, so we will take write here y square minus alpha plus beta plus y plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Now value of alpha plus, alright, here from this equation value of alpha plus beta is equals to 2, and value of alpha to beta is equals to minus 7. Okay, now here we have to find out this one. Alright, it is alpha, right here alpha plus beta whole square is equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha into beta. Alright, now student, the value from this equation, okay, that is alpha, here we will write alpha plus beta whole square. Now this plus 2 is alpha here, and it becomes minus 2 is equal to alpha square beta square. Okay, to find out alpha square beta square, so we'll write as alpha plus square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus twice of alpha. Right, put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So value plus beta is minus 2 whole square minus 2 minus 7. Okay, so 2 square will be 4, minus minus become plus, 2 7s are 14. So this is 18. Alright, so we get the value of alpha square plus beta square. This is so simple, 18. Alright, now next here we have to find out the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Alright, so second question is alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, now here alpha cube and beta cube is given, so we will use the formula of alpha cube plus beta. So student, you have to remember the for all the formulas like alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha plus beta whole cube. Okay, so here we will use the formula, it is alpha plus beta whole cube, so it will be alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Alright, now here required form is alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, so this will be alpha cube plus beta cube will be this side only, and here alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha plus beta whole cube, and this become plus, it becomes minus alpha plus beta. Now from this equation only we have the values of alpha plus beta as minus 2. Right, alpha value of alpha plus beta is equals to minus 2, and value of alpha into beta is minus 7. So we will put this value in the given equation. So alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to alpha plus beta value is minus 2 whole cube, and this becomes minus 3 alpha into beta will be minus 7, and again alpha plus beta is minus 2. So student, 2 cube is 8, that is 8. Alright, and this minus minus become plus, and plus minus become minus only. So 7 3s are 21, and 21 2s are 42. So this is also plus, so value will be 50. It is alpha cube plus beta cube value is 50. Okay, so if student, question number 7 is the roots of each of the following quadratic equation are real and equal, and find the values. This, that means here condition is where delta is equals to discriminant is equals to 0. Right, so we have to find out k here. So first write equation number 1, that is 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equals to 0. Okay, now here delta is equals to 0. That means b square minus 4ac value is 0. Now compare the equation with this. Now we will write here compare equation with general form. That is here we will write ay square plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now value of a is 3, b is k, and c is equals to 12. Okay, and here we will write it is given as that is delta is equals to 0. That means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now value of b is k, so it will be k square minus 4 into value of a is 3, c is 12. Now this becomes k square minus 4 3 is 12 and 12 to the 144 is equals to 0. Okay, so k square will be 144. Now taking square root, it will be 144. Now value of k is equals to square root of 144 is plus or minus 12. Right, now let's solve question number 2. So for question number 2, equation is kx multiplied by x minus 2, this one, plus 6 is equals to 0. All right, now here this is our equation. So what we will do, we will multiply this kx with this bracket, so we will get kx square minus 2 kx plus 6 is equals to 0. So by comparing with the general form, the value of a will be k, b is equals to minus 2k, and c is equals to 6. All right, so here given as d is equals to 0, that is it is given. All right, so now b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Therefore, so value of b is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into value of a is k and value of c is 6. So 2k square will be 4k square minus 4 6 are 36. Sorry, 24k is equals to 0. Now here from this we can take k as common. So k will be common and into bracket it will be 4k minus 24 is equals to 0. So this will become 4k minus 24 is equals to 0. Now k 0 divided by k will be 0 only. Now here it will be 4k is equals to 24. Alright, 4k is equals to 24 and k is equals to 24 upon 4. That means 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. So value of k will be 6. So student, that's it for today's video. I hope you all have understood this session, and next practice set we will do in next session. Thank you all of you.